Alright, this is the start of our Spruce Knob adventure. Highest point in West Virginia. Snow's coming down like crazy. It's pretty unlikely that we're going to make it to the top. We got 12 miles to go. We're already hitting pretty deep snow. I got 32 degrees right now. Into our first set of hairpins. Definitely shoot these hairpins. Get them in tight.
Give him time to get up the road.
I think he's got time.
Oh my God.
Everything okay? Okay.
How much further?
Yeah, maybe 2 miles, 2-3 miles, yeah. All right, cool. Record that. Remember, this is where we had the streets were blown dry last time, I think. Yeah, look at these drifts coming in. It's not the snow coming down that's gonna hurt us, it's the drifts that are building up. Snow's getting really deep. Starting to snow plow. And we've only moved a couple of miles. So we're snow plowing now. That's I'm pushing the axles, the differentials, the suspension, all of the skid plates, everything's being dragged in the snow right now. To get a feel for how deep the snow is, this is my door. That's the snow. Pretty deep. And the snow happens to be upside down too. And you just gotta do enough to, whatever I plowed up, that's the only thing you want to mess with. All right, good enough. Awesome weather though. All right. like end of the road for us. Weather's still really bad. Even trying to charge these drifts, I'm not making any headway. In fact, when I back up, I try to back up, I just get stuck. I'm stuck right now. So I think Travis is stuck back behind me too. That's how bad it is. Yeah, I need to go forward. I'm not even in the track anymore. That's the problem.
Okay, go forward and then get to the driver's seat.
Okay. Jeez Louise. We got a long way to go back. But the weather's awesome. Can't dispute that. Down guide me forward and just get me middle to middle contact with this bumper and make sure my little red thingy doesn't touch a hole in his winch.
Okay. Okay, you're gonna be up.
You know what?
You're going up.
Okay, is that okay?
Yeah, then you're gonna push you. Okay, go ahead. Yes, you're fine. Keep going. There you go. You're
Okay.
fine.
Okay, see, I'm
Okay.
I want to dig in.
It's a bullfight. Yeah.
Oh, I should have brought my selfie stick.
I have a tripod.
We had to do a group picture.
Yeah.
All right. Good picture.
Hi.
End of the day, a failed summit attempt to Spruce Knob.
We could try to re-summit tomorrow.
Yeah, recover a Grand Cherokee. Recover a Grand Cherokee that's up there.
Now I'll wait for you guys.
Could you imagine? He would be eternally grateful.
Who?
He'd be pissed he didn't know where his
Oh, he left a Cherokee up there. That's why he hiked down.
Yeah.
Yeah, he said that the only thing that he will miss is his sleeping bag.
He says if somebody breaks the window and steals his tent and a sleeping bag, he's like, I've had so many memories with that equipment.
Huh.
Poor little guy. He was such a nice old guy.